Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in Siswan dam, which is near Chandigarh, and guys, this is so neat and clean dam. You should also come with your families to make picnic, and yes, of course I am here to make picnic with my family, and it's gonna be so fun. As you can see, there's a lot of greenery. This is a lake, and you can see people are doing boating. It looks so amazing. Let's have fun here, guys. So guys, this is the main gate of Sisma Dam, and please note that it is closed in Monday. And guys, one more very important thing which I have noticed, that please come early in the morning before 10:30, so it is easy for you to park your vehicle, because 10:30 के बाद यहाँ पे रश हो जाता है and parking मिलना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाती है, because यहाँ की parking area बहुत congested है.